Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert data in Excel from a picture. Okay. First of all, view. I already view this picture and go to search bar. Type snapping. You can see this snapping tool. Then click here. Okay. And now okay. You can see these options. Text action. Then click here and select this data. Control C for copy or copy all text. Then OK and close it. Control V for paste. Okay, you can see this copy data. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.